Hey guys, so today we're going to go over a quick tutorial on synthetic division. Just note that if you watch the video on the rational zero test, synthetic division is already covered in there. It's actually step 3 of that process. But just in case you're just trying to use synthetic division on its own, rather than long division, you can use it. So starting off, just make sure, just the same as long division, that every um, term is there in consecutive order. So, meaning this says 2x to the fourth power, and then it goes straight to 3x to the second power. Well, that doesn't work because you need every single exponent there in consecutive order. So since you're missing x to the third power, you put 0x to the third power. Plus or minus doesn't matter, it's a neutral number. And then minus 3x squared minus 5x to the first power, and then plus 1, which is technically x to the 0 power. So every consecutive exponent must be there for the divisor as well as the dividend. And here it's just x to the first power minus 2, which is x to the 0 power. So this is fine. Now to start off with synthetic division, once you have every exponent there, you're going to bring down each coefficient. Don't forget their signs. So this is a positive 2, 0, you have negative 3, negative 5, and then positive 1. So we create a box for synthetic division, and in the box will be what x equals to. How do you know what x equals to? You use the divisor. So if I set x minus 2 equal to 0, I know that one of the factors will be x equals 2. Well, not actual factor, but what you're dividing by. So from here, we're going to create a line. Now, something to keep in mind in synthetic division, the first step is to always bring the first number down. Anytime that this number, any number, hits below the line, you multiply it by the number in the box. So below the line, 2 times 2 gives me 4. I'm going to bring the number up here. And whenever the numbers are together, you add them up. So 0 plus 4 would give me 4. Again, number hits below the line, so you multiply it by the number in the box. So 4 times 2 would give you 8. Numbers are together, add them up. We have negative 3 plus 8, giving me 5. Number hits below the line, so it's just a pattern. Multiply, add, multiply, add. 5 times 3, or 5 times 2 gives me 10. And then from here, add them up. Negative 5 plus 10 would give me 5. Below the line, multiply it by the number in the box, giving me 10, and finally add it up, giving me 11. So what do these numbers mean? The last number is always the remainder. And then from there, you have your constant, which is the number that's by itself. And then each time you move to the left after that, you add an x. So meaning this one would be x, this one would be x squared, and this one would be x to the third. So how would I write this out? This would be 2x to the third power. This is a positive 4, so I write plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 5. And then the remainder is positive, so it's plus 11. To signify it's a remainder, I put it over the divisor, which is x minus 2. And that is my answer. All right, guys, hope this helps.